everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and I just have a quick video to share with you, something that I just kind of discovered for myself, and I just would like to share for those of you that would like to take advantage of things like this. So I don't know if you remember, a while back I did a whole video on my purchase from the name of the website is 88 Beauty, and I will have it linked down in the description bar below. And I show you, so these right here are reusable swatch tips, and these wheels, so I had remember seeing these on Tina from Baby Moon Nails, on one of her videos, how these are reusables, and you do your swatches and then you just pop them right out. Well, on my whole video I had to fail because, now I don't know if it was because it was a regular polish that I had just applied at the time and didn't give it enough time. Now I cannot remember if if the day after I tried doing the pop off and it peeled off. No, I did not. Now I just remember what I did. I took it off with acetone because these are not, they're not hurt from with acetone, so you can still, even if it doesn't peel off the regular polish, you can remove it with acetone. Now, I very recently, on a video that you have not seen yet prior to this one, I did some gel swatches on these wheels, and then by accidentally I popped one of the nails. I went like this and I noticed how the polish peeled off, and then while that happened I had, a light bulb moment went on, and I figured, oh well, I'm not gonna throw these away. I went ahead and used the peelies, if you may, to label my gel polish bottles, because for the particular ones that I needed, or that I did the swatches for, there's no label on the bottle, no way to tell that the color of the gel polish. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys and show you really quick. So I just have applied these 2 cut eye polish swatches, maybe just not even 10 minutes ago. Cure them in the lamp and you see how they peel, okay, very nicely. And then what I'm going to do, first I should make sure which one is which. Yes, this is the right one. To get it to, I want to stick here to the handle, I am going to use foil glue. So this actually worked really good, and it dries fairly fast. So I just held the tip there in a corner with my tweezers and apply the foil glue really well. And also, I think the original ones that I did, they didn't have nice smooth edges, so you can cut them any size you want, but I went ahead and used the whole thing. And okay, so I went ahead and put that on a napkin, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this one off. See how easy they come off? It's a lot easier with gel. I noticed with the regular polish, I have not tried it again. I think if you let them dry overnight, see this one, it has, I'm going to go ahead and cut the edge off of this one and make it nice and smooth. And the only challenge that I found was, I know how the tip has that natural curve, and on the nail it was a bit of a challenge to apply it, get it to go flat even around the handle of the brush. You'll see what I mean. So you have somewhat of a bubble there, but I pressed and pressed and it was okay. It didn't hurt anything. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that one to the side. Let's make sure I get the corner I missed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and let these dry, and I'll meet you right back. Okay, so these are pretty dry now. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab them right here and show you how I just place them right there. And I do press down, and you see what I mean because of the curve. And with this is the first time, oops, oh, sorry, I didn't realize I was off frame. Gosh, well, you'll see me do it with the red one. But this is the first time that I do it with one. This polish is a bit, it's sheared. I can see the dark color. So in this case, in polishes like these, I would do a white base fade first, or black. Well, depending on the color of the polish brush. And then so that way it will show more of its true color. But regardless, this is just for me to know. I mean, when I go to grab these bottles, so I'll know which color I'm grabbing between the two, right? So it's not about necessarily. So this I press and go from the side, and then I just move it like that, and this one went on nicely. So some of them, my percent challenge depending on the shape of these brush handles, okay? And then I make sure that it's facing the front of the bottle as well. So that is it. That's all I have for you guys. Just wanted to share something quick and simple, but that will really make our lives, at least will make my life easier when it comes to getting organized with these polishes. If you guys have any questions about the tips, I will have the link down in the description bar below. And you may get foil glue pretty much anywhere. Beauty Bay Bank has it. I will have a link down in the description bar below, and in any discount codes that I have. Any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.